myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Surprises
けたの。
やめないんだけど。
しょうがないでしょ。あれをちょっとだけだ。ジュースだけども。
イエス、飲もう。乾杯しよ
長崎最後でも雨は降ってるけど、これがのだけ最後の乾杯として乾杯。
乾杯。
野崎最後、長崎最後、お父さん雨とかだから願っても無理だよ。雨をやめ。これスイッチオンしてる。
白飛びしてる。
秋キャンプのうちです。今日は焼きご飯に肉を入れますが、秋キャンプさん何を作ってるんですか？
今日はペッパーランチを作ってます。
ペッパーランチ、美味しそうですね。楽しみにしています。好きじゃないんですかね。他にも
持ってみる。できる。
お手本見せてやる。